Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. We're continuing our London adventures, this time at Madame Tussauds. So if you like waxworks, this is the one for you. Let's go and see all the celebrities that are in there. Come on, let's go. Who's this guy? Look who I found. Even Leonardo DiCaprio's here. Posh and Bex. Some drag lady. Randomly on the stairs we have Sir Winston. Yeah, wise words, isn't it? Captain Marvel. Here she is, Lizzie the First. That would have been me, the court jester. Do you think anyone should subscribe to this Jack's Life? Lost the words.
Yo, it's the Jack's Life, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set, living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's Life, adventure's great.
This year's awards party at Madame Tussauds London honours actors with performances so good that it really is a celebration of the first
a real person.
iconic films. Every single star stepping onto the red carpet is a knockout. Put up his heart.
Who's this guy? Ready for the day, Helen Mirren. Harry Styles is here with his handbag. Look who I found. Even Leonardo DiCaprio's here. Does anyone know who this is? Let me know in the comments. Posh and Bex. Some drag lady. You're a fan of Doctor Who? Cheaty Gower, new Doctor Who. Over here we got the James Bonds. Can we name them all? Actually, I found Timothy Dalton to hang out with. Greatest James Bond in my opinion. Randomly on the stairs we have Sir Winston. Here he is. Wonder where his cigar is. Wearing the same suit I got married in. Dame Jessica Ennis. Here she is. Don't know who this guy is. Here we got Stormzy and William Shakespeare. have a photo with these two. We've got the actual royal family over here. That's speaking of royalty. We've got Judi Dench first of all. And then we've got our next in line to the thrones. The Queen. What do you think of Peter Jackson? I think everyone's right opinion. She agrees. Even Drake's here, all the way from Canada. Justin Bieber, for all your Biebettes out there. Well, here I am, hiding in the corner. For you David Bowie fans, here he is. Bob Marley's just hanging out under the trees here. Elton John swinging from pianos. Beyonce's up here next to me. What a weird day. Going down the Chamber of Horrors, which is for 16 plus and not for people with bad hearts. People jump out on us. Blind beggar. You can see they still had Guinness on the tap back then. You can have a chat with Ronnie Cray. Or was it Reggie? Ronnie or Reggie? Who's this cat?
We are reporting live from London.
What?
Just in on the Evans trial.
He got a body under the floor. Who is he? John Christie, the neighbourhood strangler.
However, Mr. Christie denies all allegations.
What's through here? Gill's Yard. I don't know if this is all too dark for the camera, but John George Hay, the acid bath murderer. Well, that might be the most terrifying thing we've ever seen. And then this cat's in the bath down here, of acid. Why didn't he just bake him? Wouldn't that be easier? HM Prisons. To the cells. Dennis Nilsson, the butcher of Muswell Hill.
Dr. Hawley Harvey Griffith, may Lord have mercy on your soul.
Ruth Ellis, hung for murder. She looks like Helen Mirren.
Dr. Hawley Harvey Griffith, may Lord have mercy on your soul.
Next thing I do, I'll rip the lady's ears off. I'll keep my word. Yeah. You ripped up! Dear boss, what fools the police.
Wow, what do we do here? On a ride? Wonder where we're going now. We appear to be on a taxi.
Welcome to the spirit of London.
Well, in the middle of Madame Tussauds, I did not expect to be on a ride. Here she is, Lizzie the First. That would have been me, a court jester. Or the local drunk. Second time I've seen you today.
The rats brought us from the great plague, and with it, death.
Whoa, look at the size of that rat.
The King of England's figure, who lit the bread burn, has been blamed for the great fire of London. King Charles II, Sir Christopher Wren was given the task of rebuilding St Paul's. This time, London was built in stone. From the ruins of the fire, a new cathedral rose to fill the sky with glory. Please remember.
Samuel L. Jackson's here. Missing an eye. Kind of looks like Will Smith from this side. We're in superhero world. Spider-Man. And the Hulk. Captain Marvel. Very much feels like cinema vibes at this bit with all the superheroes everywhere. And there's a big snack counter over there. Even Iron Man's here. Music's the best. Princess Leia.
You must unlearn what you have learned.
Yeah, wise words, Yoda.
A Jedi craves not these things.
What about subscribing to Jack's Live? Do you think we should do that?
I mean you no harm.
No, not quite. Not a fan. C-3PO, R2-D2. Do you think everyone should subscribe to Jack's Live? He's lost for words. He agrees.
It's a Jack's Life, packed your bags on its roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes,
Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you want to see more of my tours around London, click the playlist on screen. Thanks very much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.